डिअर स्टुडंट्स, ज्ञान, विज्ञान आणि सुसंस्कार यासाठी शिक्षण प्रसार हे ब्रीदवाक्य देणारे महामानव परमपूज्य शिक्षण महर्षी डॉक्टर बापूजी साळुंखे यांना मी प्रथमतः नम्र अभिवादन करते. मायसेल्फ प्रोफेसर सो ज्योती अलाइस मनीषा संजय पाटील फ्रॉम स्वामी रामानंद भारती विद्या मंदिर अँड ज्युनियर कॉलेज तासगाव. वी आर फ्रॉम स्वामी विवेकानंद शिक्षण संस्था कोल्हापूर. Today we are going to see for our 12th English section number 3 unit 3.3. In that it is regarding note making. Note making means it is a more active and focused writing skill where a concrete connection between all relevant concepts and words is drawn to infuse or connect all thoughts together by a method. By using note points or tree diagrams or table forms, all these we are seeing in this slide. There are total 7 forms and fourth form is having 2 subtops. So here we are seeing all these slides one by one. Note making आपण अभ्यास करीत असताना वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने नोट्स काढू शकतो त्या संदर्भामध्ये आहे आणि ह्या नोट्स आपल्याला आपला अभ्यासक्रम हा अधिक चांगल्या प्रकारे करण्यासाठी म्हणून उपयुक्त ठरतो. आपण सोप्या पद्धतीने आपल्याला हव्या त्या पद्धतीने सुद्धा नोट्स आपापल्या परीने तयार करीत असतो. ह्या नोट्स तयार करण्यासाठी वेगवेगळ्या पद्धती आहेत. त्या पद्धती या स्लाइड शोच्या माध्यमातून आपण पाहतो आहोत. Let's see the next slide regarding tree diagram. Tree diagram, we are seeing this slide. Here one unseen passage is shown to us, and this unseen passage is regarding mobile phones. Mobile phones, the different names, features, advantages and disadvantages, all these points are covered in this passage, and the tree diagram is based on this passage. We are seeing it in the slide regarding mobile phones, and all the points are given. Some points are not given. We have to find out those points with the help of the given passage, and we have to fill up. We have to complete the tree diagram. Means note making is the activity which is काइंड ऑफ कंप्लीशन ॲक्टिव्हिटी. म्हणजे मोबाईल फोन्सच्या संदर्भामध्ये हा पॅसेज आहे आणि तो पॅसेज वाचल्यानंतर आपण त्याच्यातून ते पॉईंट्स लक्षात घ्यायचे आहेत आणि दिलेल्या ट्री डायग्राममधील जे पॉईंट्स भरलेले नाहीत, रिकामी जागा आपल्याला दिसते आहे, तिथले पॉईंट्स आपण शोधून भरायचे आहेत. या स्वरूपात आपल्याला कोणताही अनसीन पॅसेज आणि त्याच्यावरती ट्री डायग्राम त्या पद्धतीनं करायला विचारली जाऊ शकते. रायटिंग स्किल सेक्शनमध्ये हा ॲक्टिव्हिटी क्वेश्चन आल्यास आपल्याला 4 मार्क्स असू शकतील. ओके, लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. इट इज सेकंड टाइप ऑफ टेबल फॉर्म. अगेन एनी अनसीन पॅसेज इज गिवन टू अस अँड वी हॅव टू फॉर्म द टेबल. In our activity sheet, unseen passage will be given to us, and based on it, the table form will be given. In that table form, as we are seeing in this slide, some points will be given to us, and some points we have to fill up with the help of the given passage. Here we are seeing for the table form, Indian food crops is the title. It means in India what kinds of food crops are there. Those all are mentioned. Their names, rainfall, temperature and the producing states. All these we have to complete with the help of this table form. So it is the second method of preparing notes. Okay, let's see next slide. It is showing us the third type. Most of the times we are using this type. It is called as preparing notes or completion of the notes. Here unseen passage will be given to us, and based on it we have to complete the notes. For that, as this passage is related with disasters and disaster management, and so we have to fill up the points notes given below. For this, some points are given to us and some points are not given. Those incomplete points we have to find out, search out with the help of the given unseen passage, and then we have to complete this activity. So it is called as preparing the notes. Okay, let's see next slide. This is fourth type of note making. Upon any unseen passage, graphs we can form as notes. Especially for our geography, it is helpful for us, as well as sometimes in mathematics it is useful, and for environmental studies also it is useful. Sometimes in sociology also you are seeing such type of graphs for population, or in economics even we are seeing the graphs. Okay, let's see. In these two types of graphs we can form. The first type is bar graphs, as we are seeing in the first figure. It is unseen passage related with temperature of Solapur in 2014. So, it is a survey made in Solapur regarding temperature. We are seeing the graph is showing us minimum temperature, average temperature, and maximum temperature. And here we are seeing the passage related with this. We have to form the points according to that. The graph will be formed there. Some points will be given to us, some will not be given. Here it is already given the answer, means full formed graph to us. Then below that we are seeing line graph. Line graph is again, you are lucky to have the graph ready for us. This passage is again unseen passage related with cost of motorbikes and corresponding cells. So all these numbers of buyers and cost of motorbikes, according to that the graph is formed here, and in that also some maybe on x-axis or y-axis some points will be given, some will not be given, and in the graph points some points you have to fill up, etc. In that way you have to complete the graphs. Next slide. It is showing us the fifth method of note making. It is with the help of pie charts. We will be given unseen passage, and based on it some pie chart we have to form. Pie chart diagram we are seeing, that is circle, and the circle is divided, that we call as pie chart. And here again you are lucky to have the ready-made answer for this pie chart, but in the point of view of exam, unseen passage will be given to you, and in that pie chart, suppose Maharashtra 40% is given, or only Karnataka is shown to you, you have to fill up the percentage, or maybe 20% is shown to you and you have to find out Andhra Pradesh, etc. So with the help of the unseen passage you have to fill up the pie chart. This is the another method of note making. Let's see number. Next is 6 number. It is showing you mind map. Mind mapping already we had seen in unit 3.2. So you are well aware of mind mapping. Many kinds of mind maps and their types, styles, etc. you had already seen. And in this slide we are seeing unseen passage related with barriers of effective communication. And below that, the mind map is shown to you. This mind map is again totally completed and you can easily copy it in your notebook. But in your exam, for the mind map, suppose in the middle space, barriers of effective communication will be given to you, and in the other points there are 7 points we are seeing, and from that maybe only noise is shown to you, distraction is not given, you have to find out. Or the next language is given to you but time is not shown to you. You have to search these points with the help of the given unseen passage, and accordingly you have to fill up the mind map. So it is again completion activity. Let's see the next slide showing us the flow chart. Flow charts are helping us for easy understanding of our syllabus, and we are whatever passages we are reading, we can try to form flow charts. In 11th standard you had seen the flow chart regarding rice. Here we are seeing the unseen passage is given regarding crude oil, and the flow chart is based on it, showing the origin of crude oil. At first, near that highlighted part, you are seeing the flow chart with some empty boxes, and next answer is mentioned there, and the flow chart is filled up. So the whichever empty boxes are shown to you, 4 boxes, all those are filled up in the next, and the ready-made answer is shown to you. In this way, we are seeing the types of note making, or you may call it as styles of note making. And for that the work, what we have to complete, we have to complete project work based on it. So see this next slide showing to you how to form the project work. For this project work, activity is shown to you. Complete all the activities in your writing skills project notebook. As from 11th standard, we are forming the writing skill project notebook, and in that notebook only you have to write all these styles, whatever we had seen now just through the slides. So 7 plus 1 you may say, because in graph section, bar graph and line graph, 2 types we had seen. So total there are 8 types or 8 styles of note making that you have to complete in your project work. The remaining part of note making we are going to see with another video. Now we are going to close this section here of the slideshow. It is showing to you all the details about the styles of note making. Okay, thank you.